Christmas celebration in full swing, Goans come out wholeheartedly to celebrate their favorite festival amidst tight security. Terror threat fails to bow Goan spirit. Goa Special Cell will be a specialized anti-crisis unit, says Atmaram Deshpande. And a special look at Christmas of converted Banjaras. Now the news in detail. Christmas is a popular and joyous festival celebrated by people around the world. This day marks the birth or nativity of Jesus Christ. Goans are celebrating Christmas with lot of joy and enthusiasm in spite of tight security around. It's a true Goan spirit overcoming the fear of terror.
Fun-filled activities take place all through these days and people enjoy the festival by participating in masses, prayers, carols and much more. Lakhs of people visited churches across Goa for midnight mass. Security was also kept tight at important churches throughout the state to avoid any untoward incident. Even foreigners were present for the midnight masses in Goa. Large turnout of people for midnight mass was an example of people's true spirit towards their festivities.
The fear was there regarding the attacks that could be possible, but I think we had a strong trust and faith that God is with us. We did not have to fear. We are all as it is, as we have been coming all these years. I think the crowd was still the same. Yes, it was good. It was nice to see the commandos and all the other people there. It was a sense of an additional security for us.
So of course, there was a lot of security as usual. We had security last year also, but this year there was more security with commandos deputed by the central government, and everything went on very peacefully. People were very happy.
Another joyous part of Christmas celebration is decoration of Christmas tree and arrival of mythical merry old man Santa Claus. After midnight mass, Catholics and non-Catholic communities enjoy themselves by participating in Christmas ball dance. On the day of Christmas, people visit their friends to exchange greetings and gifts. Children take pride in showing to the guests scenes of nativity or the birth of Jesus Christ and their Christmas tree decorations. All the elders pamper them with gifts. Our reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
The Minister for State of Home, Shri Prakash Jaiswal, came to state on Wednesday evening. After his visit to Panji Police Headquarters on Thursday morning, he had a review of the security arrangements through Navy helicopter.
He was accompanied by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Home Minister Ravi Naik and DGP Brijendra Singh Brar along with Navy officials. In Margao also security was beefed up at public places on eve of Christmas. Margao railway station witnessed increase in number of metal detectors. Kolva beach was also seen with number of police personnel guarding the area. Similarly, Margao church was checked by a bomb squad. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, and from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
On the eve of Christmas, people across the state were seen dancing on tunes of Christmas. Ball dance was the main attraction of the midnight mass. Here, have a look at the alive spirit of Goan. Though the beach parties were cancelled, people were seen enjoying party at a shack in Kandolim. Here, have a look.
Although whole Goa is experiencing threat of terror activities, nobody can overtake the spirit of a Goan. After government decision of banning open beach parties for security purpose, everyone thought that the picture of Christmas is moderate. But no, people of Goa showed that nobody can overtake the spirit of a Goan. Wednesday late night at Kandoli in some shacks, people were seen enjoying Christmas in their own style. Looking at them, nobody will say that Goa is under terror threat. This party was the best example. Our reporter from Kandoli, Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.